Hey, what's going on? Will My Dad with a daily vlog, and today we are doing a Dia de los Muertos sugar skull look with men's fashion. I got my makeup artist, Mr. Randall, on set, and yeah, so we don't know what we're going with today, but it's gonna be a Day of the Dead look, and we're gonna shoot probably some TikTok and some Instagram reels in here, fire off a few shots, and then we're gonna kind of go downtown, get grungy, hit a couple of alleys, maybe get a couple of shots in there. But this is one look we're gonna do before Halloween. We're probably gonna maybe knock out 2 more looks. I'll keep you guys posted, but make sure you like and subscribe to the channel so you can stay updated. All right, follow us on Instagram too. Follow Verando and Mr. Midell. All right. I just walked in the jungle. Wow, that was different. Y'all saw that? Smelled good too. I don't know. Okay, let me get my shot. I seen Cuz already post on the book. Cuz said, hey, no phones in my chair dirty. I done seen that post. I'm gonna get my little shot out the way. Cause Cuz don't play, he kicks you out the chair, you feel me? Y'all don't play with no makeup artist time. Y'all, that man said sit the brush down. Y'all talk to the churns later. Out here messing up the process. You feel me?
I can say they was recording or doing,
Yeah.
something productive. I can understand that, but they just be on Facebook looking at other people posts.
I ain't got time for that.
Comment down below and make sure to thumbs up button and subscribe.
Switching it up for y'all, something different, you feel me? Ooh, Mar, just like some of the shots I'm thinking about, cause I gotta get you watching movies, cause I'll be already having shots in my head.
Exactly. So you know what shots you could do for me.
Yep. Well, I'm talking about like so when it's like say for instance I'm on the corner, I'm just standing there, you just hold the camera still, right? And then what I'm gonna do, I'm just standing there, 'cause all the white people walking around looking like, man, this is crazy. And then I'm gonna just do this look, right? I'm gonna turn and look at say for instance you back there, I'm gonna just do this like real slow look. Hold up. So I'm gonna turn and look at you like this.
It's like a movie or
Then
something.
it's just go like, then it's gonna fizz out, then I'm gonna be like walking in, I'm gonna just be standing in the alley. Just like zoned out. You know how many movies I got in, boy, that be keeping me up, helping me work? I got so many ideas. Looking like old boy of James Bond. Remember the voodoo dude? It's gonna be dope, cause the eyes gonna be black, you feel me?
Yeah, it's gonna be tough.
It's gonna be tough. Real tough. I'll show y'all in a second. It's gonna look tough. Imagine this with the suit on, the tie, out there looking spaced out. It's gonna look awesome. And I'm gonna retouch that jazz. Back at it again, we almost there. I don't know how we looking, but I feel good. I feel good. How y'all about to doing? I got a bang, got me a blue raz, I'm feeling good. And, we almost there. Give me some promo. And y'all need to do this shit. Oh man, that was good.
No, you could be that too. It look like.
Only thing I hate about this junk is it might smear if you touch anything.
Y'all look dope, boy. Ha!
Alright, so I can copy the beer.
How you like it so far, man?
Good, my back kind of cold. Chilling here. I like the look though. Look, get the phone from the microphone. You keep hearing the thing popping up. Yeah, I like the look so far. I figure I'm gonna put the clothes on. It's too bright. Put that battery in your pocket.
Mm.
Hit record.
Me to end it and start over.
Yeah. Make sure you keep the distance with some full body. It's gonna do all the work, so you just gotta hold it. You know what I'm saying? You gonna come inside? Come walk inside. You gotta do that. You can turn around and go up.
Go to.
It's already recording. So, head out. Boom. You gotta be with me now. Right. And boom. You can pause and get some down. recording?